How are you today, boys and girls? Today we are going to cover lesson number 4 on profit and loss under fractions and percentages. Example 1. In each case below, calculate the percentage profit or loss, stating clearly whether it is a profit or a loss. Alright. Let us look at this example 1. We have got cost price and selling price. On part A, cost price $3.60 and $4.14 on selling price. Part B, $3.60 on cost and $2.70 on selling price. So we are going to first answer part A. For us to calculate, we simply say selling price over cost price times 100%. And 100% can be written as 100 over 100 like this. But the denominator will remain as it is. We are not going to use it in the calculation because it is the percentage. So let us go. $4.14 is the same as 414 cents over 360 cents times 100 over 100. So converting into cents make us easier to remove fractions and then calculate. So here we cancel the cents since they are the same unit and then divide by 10 like this. And then you need to practice neatness because neatness it is very important. I emphasize on that. Then we have to divide by 2 on these numbers 10 and 36. So by dividing by 2, 2 into 10, it will give us 5. And then 2 into 3, that's 1, remainder 1. Then 2 into 16 will give us 8. So our objective of maintaining neatness, we have to write it on a separate line, 414 over 18 times 5 over 100, and then we continue dividing. So on 441 to find the factor, so let us add the numbers 4 plus 1 plus 4, which is equals to 9. And then 18, we simply say 1 plus the 9, the plus 8, which is equals to 9. So any number factors, if we add in if the sum is divisible by 3, it means 3 is a factor of that number. 3 is a factor of 414. So and again 6 is a factor. So let us list down the factors here. 3 is a factor, 6 is a factor, and in this case 9 is also a factor. But we are aiming to find the highest common factor, so we are going to use 18 because 18 is also a factor in this case. So we have to calculate 18 into 18, 1, and then 18 into 41, this will give us 2, remainder 5, and then 18 into 54, that is exactly 3. So for you, you can start by using the small factors, 3 or 6 or 9 or 18, whichever which is convenient to you. If we multiply the numerators, 23 times 5 all over 100, this will give us 115 over 100, which is the same as 115%. In this case, it's 100 the original plus 15%. So this person got 15% profit. So this is good. Let us move on to part B of the question, which reads $3.60 as the cost price and $2.70 as the selling price. So let us calculate. All right, continuing with example 2, which reads 270 over 360. So the selling price over cost price times 100 over 100. Then we convert the dollars into cents. We will get 270 cents over 360 cents times 100 over 100. And then we cancel the cents here. These are common units. And then we cancel the zeros, that is dividing by 10. And then finding the factors. In this case, we can add 2 plus 7, which is equals to 9. Then 3 plus 6, which is also equal to 9. So if the sum is divisible by 3, it means the common factors, in this case, 3 is a common factor. But in this case, also 9 is a common factor because it is divisible by 9. But 6 is not a common factor because 27 is not an even number. So 6 the sum must be divisible by 3 and the digits must be even. So we have to divide by 9 in this case. 36 divided by 9, this will give us 4. And then 27 divided by 9, this will give us 3. And then 4 into 4, that's 1. And then 4 into 100, that is 25. It's easy to divide here in this case, because if you multiply 5 by 4, we get 25 by 4, we get 100. Then multiplying the numerator as 3 by 25 all over 100, this is the same as saying 75 over 100. 75 over 100 is the same as 75%. But in this case, this will lead to, for us to get 75%, we have said 100%, which is the original price, minus 25%. So this means that the person got a loss of 25%. So we have answered our questions. So this is how you simplify such problems, applying the concept of percentage, fractions and percentages, simplifying problems relating to profit or loss. So go ahead and answer the exercise below, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to enhance your understanding. See you later. But I want to comment, guys. Guys, you are doing great. You are moving so fast. I can comment that. Thank you for good practice. Continue practice, because practice makes perfect. Good day, boys and girls. See you later in the evening.